All right, 7 days to go. Yeah, right. We're on the action. Shit's happening. Dale flew in from Brizzy. Kev's doing some. He's looking for parts. Oh, he's looking for side cutters. We're losing heaps of tools. It's out of control. Right. Jaden's just lipped all the guards on the Cortina, so as we can run it that low. We're going to run it that low at Summernats, and then we'll go from there. Luke's in the car doing some wiring with Jaden. We literally fuel, so we have oil, primed, dizzy set, coolant in or water in for now. We've got to put some inhibitor in there. Jaden's fucking around doing something. They've just set all the track rods further forward to bring the wheel further forward. Now it's just wiring and some fuel, and we can kick this one in the guts. And Dale's prepping the boot lid like a champion. This guy, hey, legend. Me. Water line's done. Oil line's done. I'm ready to put some oil in this sucker. Hopefully it doesn't leak. And then I've just done all these oil lines. Put the oil filter piece on. The oil filter can blank or... the brain's a mash. Oil filter relocation block. Now you'll notice that's the sump plug. I blocked the oil pressure in the block there, and I run the oil pressure from the block where it's supposed to there, and we run a tiny little 418. Nice. I'm going to start pumping some oil pressure in it. So we have, there you go, first look at the front bar. I'm running IPFs. Luke fitted them yesterday. So the IPFs, this was a vision that I had, was to run the IPFs in the spotlight hole. No one's done that before. So I bought the IPFs. These took me ages to get. These are not easy to get. They're a yellow lens IPF. I was going to do M slashes and then cover up the bottom bit and leave the IPF, but we'll see how much time we've got and what we can get done. Yeah. 7 days to go. We have a week, and that gives you an idea. It'll happen. We don't muck around here. Shit happens, and it happens quickly when there's many hands on deck and without the lads. So he flew in from Brizzy. I'm grateful. We're all grateful for the help. And we've got John's coming in tomorrow, I think. We've got a few other lads coming in to help. Gearbox is in, tail shaft's in, gearbox service, diff serviced, exhaust is about to go on, and I've got to do a heat shield over this side, and I've run car builders, stick on heat shield there, and then I've bolted it up as well. Sits in nice and neat. I'll do up the V-bands, I'll put the rest of the exhaust on, go from there. Tight time frame, eh? Hey, he's getting excited. We'll be starting this. We should have a startup video probably tomorrow. Maybe tonight.